Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Dirty Cuba Libre. The first thing I'm going to do is put ice in my glass. I've got a Collins glass. Use the glass that makes sense to you. I'm going to put about 3 cubes. Next, I'm going to use coconut syrup. I do make my own coconut syrup. Recipe is down below if you want to check that out. I'm going to put in 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters of the coconut syrup. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. And that's just about the end of it. Better do it right this time. 2 ounces, or 60 milliliters of the rum. Give it a little stir. And top it off with cola of your choice. That does end up being about 4 ounces of Coca-Cola, which is 120 milliliters. It doesn't have to be Coca-Cola, that's just what I'm using. Finally, add a straw and garnish. I would normally garnish this with a lime wheel. Unfortunately, as you can see, these are the last of my limes to make the juice, so I'm not going to garnish today, so you just have to imagine. And there you have it, a Dirty Cuba Libre. Drink with good spirits.